When installing Nichiha's 30-30 architectural wall panels, you'll need to create an expansion joint in between each stack of panels. This video will show you some tips on how to create an expansion joint correctly using an H-mold. The 30-30 architectural wall panels are cut flat on the ends, not shiplapped like our 1818 panels, and can only be installed in a stacked bond pattern. So when these panels come together, an expansion joint is required. You can either create an expansion joint with a double flange sealant backer or an H-mold like the one we are demonstrating here. The H-mold provides a metal reveal, and Nichiha offers them in a variety of color options. After you've installed your first 30-30 panel on the starter track and ultimate clips fastened, slide the H-mold against the end of the panel with moderate contact, making sure it covers the bottom of the panel. Using a laser level to ensure your H-mold is perfectly straight, fasten the H-mold to the wall every 12 to 16 inches and screw on alternate sides. For ease of installation, pre-drill holes into the H-mold for your fasteners. Continue fastening the H-mold using the laser level as your guide until you've reached the top and the H-mold is fully fastened to the wall. Now that your expansion joint is in place, you can continue by installing the next 30-30 panel on the other side of your H-mold. Simply place the bottom shiplap of your next 30-30 panel onto the starter track and slide it down fully against the H-mold with just moderate contact. Fasten ultimate clips to the top of the panel and into each stud to secure the panel into place. Continue down your course by creating an expansion joint after each 30-30 panel is installed. Then add additional courses as needed until you've reached the top row of your wall. To complete your wall, see our video titled Tips for Completing Top Course. For more information about Nichiha's architectural wall panels, visit nichiha.com.